If you want to cover up your springs on top of your large format Yale IC core, that's this brass cover, and you don't know how to do it, if you use your Lab IC Pro 150, stick the cover on top, stick your cylinder underneath, just like this, press the handle down, and it will cover up your Yale large format IC core in one push. Hardly even any effort. Please subscribe to my channel for more door and lock tips like this one, and I have a bigger video on this coming your way. Please stay tuned. I'm gonna pin it up right here, this little tool right here.